we're going to be screening a short film for you, which will be the last item for the morning session. It's a short film made in Bahrain. It exposes the paranoia that pandemic COVID has brought on in people. It's produced by Ajit Nair of Convex Media. Many of you may be familiar with what he's doing right now, which is a brilliant live chat called C Live on Facebook. It's really admirable for its technical brilliance and the kind of varied set of people they bring onto that platform. So this movie is produced by Ajit Nair, directed by Ramesh Ramu. The camera is Unni CB. Production design is Ranjish Mundakal. Color grading is by Joby Thuruthal. It stars Ajit Nair himself, Ramesh Ramu, Sindhu Ajit, Gayatri Ramesh, Nandu Ajit, Gopu Ajit, and Suresh. Please watch the short film, and after that we will be inviting a special person to review both the DJ Diaries COVID awareness movie as well as Fog for us. And that is none other than Shama Uchil. Many of you may be familiar with her reviews on Facebook. She writes in a light vein, in a serious note, insightful, thought-provoking again, witty, and with a lot of insight and knowledge about music and movies. So we will have her after the film has been screened to tell us what she felt about both the movies. So Nisha, can we start the screening of the movie Fog? Fog for you.
കൊറോണ ആയപ്പോഴേക്കും 6 പാക്ക് ആവോ?
6 പാക്ക് ആദ്യം നിന്റെ അച്ഛനോട് പോയി കുളിക്കാൻ പറ, മുടിയും വെട്ടിയിട്ട്.
ഗുഡ് മോർണിംഗ്. സിബി, ഫോണെന്താ സൈലന്റിലാണോ? തോന്നുന്നു. എനിക്ക് വണ്ടിയുടെ കീ ഒന്ന് വേണമായിരുന്നു. എന്താ അത്യാവശ്യം? ഒന്നുമില്ല, പെട്ടെന്ന് വരാം. ശരി.
ഹലോ, പാലിൽ 2 ലിറ്ററിൻ്റെ. അതെ, എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ അകത്തുനിന്ന് തന്നെ എടുക്കണേ. ലേശം പച്ചമുളക്, പിന്നെ മല്ലിയില ഉണ്ടോ? ഇല്ല അല്ലേ? എന്നാൽ 4 ചെറുനാരങ്ങ. അച്ഛ കോൾഡ് സ്റ്റോറിനാ.
ആ കവർ കളഞ്ഞിട്ടേ കൈ ഒന്ന് സോപ്പിട്ട് കഴുകുക.
സിബി, നീ എത്താറായോ? ഞാൻ ലാബിന്റെ മുന്നിലായിരുന്നു. എവിടെ? റിസൾട്ട് വാങ്ങിക്കാൻ. എത്തി, ഒരു 5 മിനിറ്റ്.
റിസൾട്ടോ?
പോസിറ്റീവാ.
നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫോൺ ഇന്ന് സൈലന്റിലാണോ? സിബി എന്താ എന്റെ ഫോണിൽ വിളിക്കുന്നേ?
ആ ചേച്ചി ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്, ഞാൻ എനിക്ക് കൊടുക്കാം.
ഹലോ, ഇന്ന് ഓഫാണോ ചേച്ചി?
ഈവനിങ്ങാ.
2 ദിവസം മുന്നേ യൂറിൻ സ്ട്രിപ്പ് നോക്കിയായിരുന്നേ. കൺഫർമേഷന് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ബ്ലഡും കൊടുത്തായിരുന്നു. പോസിറ്റീവാ.
ഓ, കൺഗ്രാറ്റുലേഷൻസ്.
COVID-19. അമ്മോ, COVID-19 ഈസ് നോട്ട് എ ബാക്ടീരിയ, വൈറസ് ആണ്. വൈറസിന് മരുന്ന് കുറവാണ്. ഇപ്പം ഈ COVID-19 ഒന്നും ഇതുവരെ മരുന്ന് കണ്ടുപിടിച്ചിട്ടില്ല. നല്ല ചുമയായിരിക്കും.
എല്ലായിടത്തും കൊറോണ.
ചുമ എന്ന് പറഞ്ഞാൽ ഒരു 1.5 ചുമ.
ഇനി ഒരു സെക്കൻഡ്.
നിന്നോട് ഞാൻ നിലക്കാൻ പറഞ്ഞിട്ട് ഒരു മിനിറ്റ്.
പോസിറ്റീവ് അല്ലേ?
ആ, പോസിറ്റീവാ.
പിന്നെ നമുക്ക് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്നത് നന്നായിട്ട് വെള്ളം കുടിക്കുക, വൈറ്റമിൻ സി കഴിച്ചുകൊണ്ടിരിക്കുക, ഫുൾ ബോഡി റെസ്റ്റ്, വീടിൻ്റെ പുറത്തേക്ക് സോഷ്യൽ ഡിസ്റ്റൻസിങ് നന്നായിട്ട് സ്റ്റേ ഹോം, സ്റ്റേ സേഫ്.
We hope that you enjoyed the short film. I think it may have jumped or slagged a little bit. It's available on YouTube. You may watch it at your leisure as well. We would like to invite Shama Uchil to talk to us about both these movies. Shama, are you there?
Thank you, Rekha. Friends, I'm Shama Uchil, a content writer and marketer. I regularly review movies, TV series, and shows on Facebook and Instagram. That's my passion. Shrinkla has invited me today to review the 2 short film entries at today's open mic session. There's something heartening even in the toughest of times, and so also with the current pandemic. Our local talents have found the time and shown the inclination to produce some rather encouraging short films. The first film that I shall review today is the DJ Diaries production, and it was shown, I think, at 10 a.m. in the morning, and it was called Mask, a short mask story. It's a simple film that conveys a rather relevant message: the importance of wearing masks to counter the current pandemic. The movie appeals for many different reasons. Firstly, it drives home a crucial lesson about taking precautions. By using a child to convey this all-important message, the director emphasizes how certain adults have still chosen to ignore something that even the children have easily adopted. It's a silent movie, and the background music and a bicycle bell support the screenplay and keep us engaged all through. While I would have liked to see a bit more of the COVID precautions tackled, like the hand wash and the social distancing, etc., this is still a very good attempt to be topical. In fact, I raise my hat to the makers, because the Shrinkla organizers have informed me that this rather endearing film was shot on a handheld iPhone by a mother balancing her toddler in the other arm. How fantastic is that? The cinematography is vivid, and the locations that they've chosen were very, very scenic. Well done, Daijo, Jasmine, and Estelle. This could be a stepping stone to many more productions. That brings us to the second movie that I'm reviewing today, the one that you just watched, called Fog. I don't know if the flow was quite all right. It wasn't showing very well on my video, but I'm sure all of you watched it and liked it. The movie is in Malayalam. Unfortunately, no subtitles. I hope the makers are able to fix that very soon. Comedy can serve as a mental armor to ensure that we safely sail through the most tragic of times. In fact, mental health professionals say that humor is a balm for soothing our nerves, as it decreases our stress hormones. The most powerful psychological way to manage The unmanageable is to find humor in a situation. Don't we all want to find humor in our life from time to time? And that is exactly what director Ramesh Remu and the producer Ajit Nair have conveyed via this short film Fog. It's based on a social media story, and the movie charmingly captures the travails that every family, all of us, have experienced during these trying COVID months. What immediately catches one's attention is the deft and crisp screenplay by Ajit Nair. The movie itself is only 5 minutes in duration. It's rather short. And one is surprised at how many individual examples of hilarious COVID precautions have been included into this subtly humorous film. From washing the vegetables with the dishwashing foam to going on one's knees to scrub the water cans before we take them indoors. We see it all in this film. What's more, there's even a hilarious episode with the hair trimmer that we all would resonate with. After all, didn't we all turn into part-time barbers to save our spouse from turning into this wild Wonder Boy Tarzan? There are some clever camera angles in the film, and I hope you have just noted that and fine editing too, because the audience is not made to realize that most of the movie has been shot within the limited constraints of a home. The only flip side, I'd say, was small lapses, like the otherwise overcautious family members interacting quite freely with the delivery man and the friend without wearing a mask. But like I mentioned, these make a rather minor oversight. The underlying message of the movie is strongly relevant, and I hope you could catch it, because the movie is called Fog, and you would wonder what fog got to do with the actual movie. Fog's makers have sent out a rather thought-provoking message. Yes, we agree that this is a tense and frightening time. However, a year later, perhaps we shall look back and realize just how we've let rumors and hearsay fog our wisdom. Yes, that's where the word fog comes. Our wisdom's been probably fogged at times. Clinical evidence shows that high levels of stress can actually weaken our immune system. And yet, in our extreme bid to stay safe, did many of us actually adopt some very superficial measures, thus overlooking the fact that what we most needed to do during this time was to stay calm and measured in our responses. Friends, art and humor can offer comfort during the most uncertain times. Ramesh Remu and Ajit Nair's Fog is a welcome dose of humor set amidst our forced Corona staycation. Thank you, friends. That's my very short review. This is Shama Uchil signing off. Do follow me on Facebook and Instagram if you wish to stay tuned in to my movie reviews, some masti and masala right at your fingertips on your social media. Thank you, Rekha, and the entire Shrinkla team for giving me this opportunity to review your films.
Thank you, Shama, for that wonderful, insightful review of both the movies. I just wanted to ask, the subtitles were there. Did you miss that, or was
I missed them? I'm sorry. I didn't get those on my link, and
okay.
I do follow a bit of Malayalam, and
Right.
the movie was so well made that just looking at it, I could tell what was going on completely.
Absolutely.
And then, of course, I got the clarifications from you, Rekha. So then
Great.
it was very clear.
That's great. But the YouTube link has subtitles for all those who want to watch it again.
Okay.